Hi guys, Kyle here and I'm iOS photographer, and today I want to talk about getting rid of hiss on a VideoMic NTG shotgun microphone. Earlier this week, I filmed myself talking to the camera in the middle of a field in rural Iowa. Now I didn't do myself any favor because there was wind constantly blowing, but there was also a hiss coming from the microphone. Listen. When trying to come up with today's video idea, it dawned on me, since yesterday I focused on Iowa farmland, today I'm going to be focusing on Iowa farm animals. That hiss was coming directly from the microphone and I didn't know what to do, so I looked on Rode.com. Looking up my microphone, I scrolled down to the bottom and I found that they had a firmware update. Attaching the mic to my computer and downloading the firmware, I followed the easy steps and within a minute I had an updated microphone. You're currently listening to the mic and as you can tell, there's no hiss. If you own the VideoMic NTG shotgun mic by Rode, I highly recommend going to the website and getting the firmware update. I want everyone who owns this microphone to get the best quality out of it. And since it's such an easy fix, I can't imagine why you wouldn't want to. Anyways, I've been Kyle and I am iOS photographer. I'll see you next time.